How do I fix import error? Cannot import name IncompleteRead? When I try to install anything with pip or pip3, I get I have a Ubuntu 14.10 system. How can I fix this problem?
While this previous answer might be the reason, this snippet worked for me as a solution, in Ubuntu 14.04. First remove the package from the package manager. And then install the latest version by side. Thanks to @Aufschevogel, @Junkeog.
This problem is caused by a mismatch between your pip installation and your request installation. As of request version 2.4.0 request.compat.incompleteRead has been removed. Older versions of pip, for example from July 2014, still relied on IncompleteRead. In the current version of pip, the import of IncompleteRead has been removed. So the one to blame is either requests, for removing public API too quickly, Ubuntu for updating pip too slowly. You can solve this issue by either updating pip via Ubuntu, if there is a newer version, or by installing pip aside from Ubuntu.
For fixing pip3, worked on Ubuntu 14.10.
Or you can remove all requests. For example, rmrf break time equals 1/.7/dis packages/requests.
On Ubuntu 14.04 I resolved this by using the pip installation bootstrap script, as described in the documentation. That's an okay solution for a development environment.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.